between me or any other credit repair company. And I want to let you know, don't look at me as just a credit repair company, because we don't do credit repair for anybody that's not a part of exclusive membership. You cannot pay us directly for us to do your credit. We do not work that way. If you guys are a part of exclusive membership, you guys would have access to our dispute letters. On top of having access to our dispute letters, we're going to work on your credit for free. Now, when I say we're working on your letter for free, we're going to send out letters to the credit bureaus to get your accounts removed, and we're going to do at least 6 rounds of letters. So every month I tell you guys, if an account is not deleted, go to the second month, and that's the second round. So about 6 to 7 months, we're going to send out letters for you. And don't forget, if you're part of exclusive membership, that's going to be for free. Now, I think the difference between me and other credit repair companies, like I said too, you're not paying monthly. A lot of credit repair companies, you have to pay like $120 or higher, $100 or more per month. On top of that, you have a high initial fee to get in. You don't have to worry about that. You guys will not have to pay monthly at all. Only thing that you have to worry about is just make sure that you stay a part of the exclusive membership. As long as you're part of exclusive membership, we'll send out letters for free. And on top of that, we have something else too. I was telling you guys about that earlier. If you guys are with us, and say if well, for one thing, if you guys are part of exclusive membership, you guys have free access to my letter. Say if you guys get a letter from a collection company saying, hey, you owe us $2,000, you guys actually get that letter for free that you can send in. I'm working right now so that we can actually help you guys send out that letter, because I see a lot of people getting old accounts added to their credit reports because they simply not responding to that letter. But you guys have access to that letter for free, so you guys can definitely use that. A lot of credit repair companies, they will not send out a letter directly to the company at all. Now, sometimes I'll tell people you can do the premium disputes. With the premium disputes, that's when we will actually send out a letter directly to the company, which is very, very important. You guys send out a letter to the company that's reporting. So say if you have like the portfolio recovery on your credit reports, we can send a letter directly to portfolio recovery to have that account removed. A lot of companies won't do that. They'll just send a letter directly to the credit bureaus. So that's something else that we do. And understand too, we're guiding you through the way so that you guys can do a lot of this on your own too. I really want you guys to be educated on how to fix credit. So if you guys ever have any problems and you guys are part of exclusive membership, you know that you have access to the letter. Or if you just get your identity IQ, we have access to your credit reports. We'll keep working on your credit until we're able to get those accounts taken care of. But I think that's like the major difference. And I want you guys to understand that you don't, like a lot of people in my exclusive membership, they paid a one-time fee just to be a part of my exclusive membership. So anything new I post in there, any like different worksheets, any tricks that I have that I tell people about, even how I like to fill out dispute letters, all of that information that's outside the exclusive membership, they're going to always have that for free. They're always going to have access to us to work on their credit also. So I think that's the difference, because when you with a credit repair company, you have to pay a high amount monthly, and that's something that we actually don't do in our business inside our exclusive membership. And again, you cannot just pay us to work on your credit. You have to be a member inside our exclusive membership.